Reinstating a suspended Google My Business (GMB) listing can feel like a daunting task, but it is certainly feasible if you proceed carefully and follow the correct steps. First, understand the reason behind the suspension. Google typically suspends listings for violations of its guidelines. This could range from incorrect business information, multiple listings for the same location, using a P.O. box or virtual office as an address, or even a lack of ownership verification. Once you've identified the issue, take immediate steps to rectify it. Start by logging into your Google My Business account and checking the dashboard for any specific alerts or messages related to the suspension. Google might have already informed you of the problem area. Resolve it as swiftly as possible. For example, if the issue is with your address, ensure your business location is clearly marked on Google Maps and aligns with Google's location requirements. Correct any inconsistencies in your profile to align with the real-world facts. After making these adjustments, it's time to contact Google's support team. Visit the Google My Business support page and click on Contact Us. You'll be required to describe your problem, so make sure to fill in details comprehensively. Ensure you highlight that any issues have been resolved. Submit your request for reinstatement. It can be beneficial to include screenshots or documentation that authenticates your business's legitimacy and your corrections, lending weight to your case. Now, patience is your friend. The response time from Google can vary, so consistently check your email for any updates or further requests for information. During this period, it's crucial to maintain clear communication, promptly responding to any follow-ups. Persistence and patience will play a vital role in seeing your listing reinstated. To minimize future suspension risks, be proactive. Regularly update your business information, ensure consistency across all platforms, and adhere strictly to Google's guidelines. These practices not only keep your listing compliant, but also enhance your business's credibility and visibility online. If you are 100% sure that you can do it according to Google's guidelines, then send an appeal to Google. It is advisable not to send an appeal to Google. Take the help of an expert because Google allows reinstatement appeals only once or twice. If you lose both appeals, Google will not give you the option to request reinstatement again. Then your listing will be reinstated with great difficulty. If you need my help, inbox me and I will help you.